Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your INFINIX Note 60. First, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust the brightness in these settings. We're going to open up the settings and scroll down until we see display and brightness. Here, what we want to do is we want to make sure that adaptive brightness is turned off and high brightness mode is turned off too. What we're going to do is we're going to simply adjust the brightness to our specific liking so we can see everything. As you guys can see, I'll keep it like this. And of course, now what are we going to do next? If it did not help, we're going to go to the Play Store and we're going to download an app called a screen dimmer. So let's go to search, and here in the search we're going to type in screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now we're going to download this app right here. This is how the icon looks like. It's a normal app and it should install pretty quickly. We're going to give the first permission to modify the system settings so it can change the brightness. The second one so it can change the brightness whenever we rotate our screen or use anything like a keyboard. Now once we do that, the last one to grant permissions to notification area so that it can show the brightness bar. So of course you can tap on it and change the brightness. And here you also have some brightness settings. You can change the advanced, like minimum physical brightness, change light and change duration. You can make the extra dim also brighter or dimmer. And if you don't like the app, you can simply go over here and disable the service. Once you do that, make sure to lower your brightness a little, since we know that it's making our normal brightness go higher. As a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to check for software updates in these settings. So click on your INFINIX Note 60, click check for updates, and here you want to make sure that you're on the latest version so that there's no old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.